এত ফুল outside. And yeah, we need to look at it. We won't go to do at night time either. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak labbaik innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. Allahumma zidni biha qurran warzuqni fiha rizqan halal. আল্লাহ মাফ করুক, আল্লাহ মাফ করো, আল্লাহ আমাদের কবুল করো, আল্লাহ আমাদের সাই কবুল করো, আল্লাহ আমাদের উমরা কবুল করো। The receptionist, we are going. This is from my room. After traveling from Madinah to Makkah, the moment we had been waiting for finally arrived. Standing from the Kaaba, performing our first Umrah together as a family was a dream we will never forget. Kaaba complex, it's just that expanding and expanding and expanding. Right below us is the Kaaba. And this is the room we took. I know it's massive, but right now because we are about to leave, it's a big room. It's a beautiful room. This is Swissôtel. Look at how many bottles they gave us. This is the view. We got 3 beds, nice bathroom, nice everything. We give A+ this place. So beautiful. Look at this.
Hopefully, we come next time, we'll be staying here.
Yeah.
No, hopefully. Inshallah. Inshallah. We are, and there's no hope.
Look at the beautiful Kaaba. Assalamu alaikum. Sallallahu assalamu alaikum. That's nice. Get it. I did my Ihram, so we can pray in 3 minutes. We just did our Ihram and we did 2 rakat salah and then did the niyat, then did the talbiyah. Talbiyah was Allahumma labbaik Allah. Labbaik Allah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak labbaik innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. Alika just niyat kurso, okay? Keep it up. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak labbaik innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. এটা বলো আল্লাহুম্মা ইন্নী আসআলুকা রিদাকাল জান্নাতা ওয়া আউযু বিরহমাতিকা মিনান নার। এটা হলো তোমার যখনই তালবিয়া পড়বে 3 বার পড়বে, তারপর দরুদ পাঠ করবে এবং নিচে এই দোয়াটি পড়বে। We just got in this Swissôtel in Makkah, Swiss Maqam. Allah gave us tawfiq to get this room. My daughter wanted it and I'm really happy to get this. This is beautiful. We got in the Kaaba now. Today is the first day. We are on our way to get in there. We are going in Kaaba Sharif now. আমি আছি, আর পিছনে আছি। لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك اللهم زدني بها كرا وارزقني فيها لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك اللهم ارزقني بها كرا وارزقني فيها رزقا حلال الله الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak Allahumma zidni karran warzuqni fiha rizqan halal. আমি হাজি, হে আল্লাহ আমি হাজি, কোনো শরীক নাই তোমার, আমি হাজি নিশ্চয়ই, সকল প্রশংসা অনিয়মিত তোমারই, আর সকল সাম্রাজ্য তোমার, কোনো শরীক নাই। এখানে আমি স্থিতি হালাল রুজি দাও। লাব্বাইক আল্লাহুম্মা লাব্বাইক লা শারীকা লাক হামদা ওয়া না ওখানে দরকার সবুজ ওই যে সাইডে, ওই যে অনেক দূরে। এখন তুমি কাবা দেখতে পারো, অনেকে আসলে যতক্ষণ আরম্ভ করবো না ততক্ষণ তুমি করতে পারো। লাব্বাইক আল্লাহুম্মা লাব্বাইক করতে পারো। লাব্বাইক আল্লাহুম্মা লাব্বাইক লাব্বাইক লা শারীকা লাক ইন্নাল হামদা ওয়া নি'মাতা লাক ওয়াল মুলক লা শারীকা লাক আল্লাহুম্মা জিদনি বিহা কারনা ওয়ারযুকনি ফিহা রিজকান।
이제 알라후 악bar, 알라후 akbar.
Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Lillahi alhamd. We go towards the green thing. Green thing is right there. That's where you start. Once I start, I'm not gonna take any video or picture. I'm gonna do 7 rounds, which is 1 tawaf. I'll read many things during that tawaf, and then I'll let you know after I do the tawaf when I do namaz, and then I will take the video again. Okay, we just finished the tawaf there. We just did the tawaf. Now we're gonna do the Maghrib Salah, and then we're gonna do the 2 rakah there, and then start the side right there. My Kaaba, Assalamu alaikum. Kaaba, Assalamu alaikum. There is the Kaaba. We just did the tawaf. We are doing the Maghrib Salah, and then we're gonna go pray Wajib Namaz 2 rakat, and then I will do the sa'i later. We are right there, and that is the Kaaba. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Anika? Go to go. This is end of sa'i. This is we just completed our sa'i. We are exhausted.
Never doing it at that time ever again.
Yeah.
Never.
Okay, Allah maaf করুক, Allah maaf করে, Allah আমাদের কবুল করো, Allah আমাদের সাই কবুল করো, Allah আমাদের উমরা কবুল করো, Allah. Okay. We just completed our sa'i. Now we need to cut our hair, and then we finish it. That's about it now, and then it would be 1 umrah. It was really hard. There you go. Good man. Thanks. Anika, you cannot believe what I'm seeing it now. Look at this. At the full. Wow. Look at it. It's just a inside full, outside on the top of the roof. They are now doing the tawaf. They're doing the tawaf of the roof, Anika. I've never seen that. Okay. Right now is 4:48 in the morning. I am staying in the Swissôtel here. Look at from here. I am showing you how it is working. Look at this is on the roof. There, it's like thousands and thousands of people on the roof. They are doing the tawaf on the roof. The reason they're doing the roof because look at this full over full inch on the ground. There's no room there. I'm gonna bring closer. Look at like. Completing our first Umrah together reminded us how special this journey truly is. From the first sight of the Kaaba to the final step of shaving of our heads, every moment here in Makkah will stay with us forever. From Medina to Makkah, this journey continues.